Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill up your KYC on Binance. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in binance.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Binance. Log into your account if you haven't already by using your login credentials and you will end up in this page. Now in order to fill up your KYC, just click on the Get Verified option. You will then be taken into your identification page where you can once again click on the Get Verified option to start with the KYC process. Now just select your country of residence and click on the Continue button. Now you will be asked to install the Binance application. You will need to scan the QR code that is displayed on your screen using your phone, or you can click on Continue here to continue with the verification process on the PC. Now just select your nationality followed by your first, your middle and your last name. Now type in your date of birth and click on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter your residential address. After entering your address, click on the Continue button. Now type in your postal code and the name of your city and then click on Continue button. Finally, you will need to verify your identity by either using your driver's license, your passport or your ID card. Just go ahead and select either one of them and then click on the Continue button. You will now be asked to upload the image of your ID document. Just click on the Continue button and you will now have two options. You can either take a photo using your camera or you can also verify using the Binance application. Just go ahead and select whichever option is best for you and then click on the Continue button. Now click on the Continue button to launch your camera. Click on the Allow button to allow access to your camera. After taking your photograph, just click on the Continue button and the verification process will continue. Now you will need to verify a liveness check to confirm that you are an actual person. You can either use your mobile phone to scan a QR code or use your PC, which has a camera, to verify your live identity. Just select whichever option is best suited for you and click on the Continue button. Now click on I'm ready and now you will need to follow some instructions. After the liveness verification is complete, you will be told that you are under review. You can now click on the Go to Home button and wait for your verification to complete. Once your verification is completed, you will receive an email from Binance telling you that your KYC has been verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fill up your KYC on Binance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.